The Hypertherm Outdoor Forced Air Furnace. The Hypertherm Outdoor Forced Air Furnace is proudly built in the USA. It's manufactured exclusively in Salem, Arkansas by hardworking Americans. The furnace is made entirely of steel and fireproof components. The exterior is constructed of a 29 gauge painted steel sheet metal in the color of your choice. There is an inner layer of 11 gauge steel or 1/8 inch that creates an air chamber around the firebox. The air chamber has 2 layers of insulation. The first layer is a thermal-bearing K-factor insulation with an efficiency percentage of a 96.41 or a converted R factor of a 10.71, plus 1/4 inch solar guard over it, giving a combined insulation of an R22.31. The furnace front has 2 inches of superwool, thermal ceramic insulation designed to withstand temperatures of up to 1832 degrees. The insulated inner layer forms the heat chamber and includes the volume of air which is essential to the system. The firebox has a rectangular shape and maximizes heat transfer. Along with its ash pan, the 24-inch heat-sealed steel door allows access to the firebox and ash compartment area to allow ease in operation. Wood is fed into the firebox and placed onto a grate. The firebox is filled 3/4 capacity and the fire is ignited. As the temperature within the firebox rises, heat is transferred to the surrounding air in the heat chamber. In the back of the furnace, an induction blower draws air into the firebox for combustion. The chimney attached to the firebox releases smoke, creosote, and excess heat. Once the heat reaches 110 degrees, a high-capacity blower begins to circulate air through the heat chamber at about 1,500 to 2,000 cubic feet per minute. The air in the heat chamber gains pressure and escapes through the hot air output duct. The cold air duct returns air back into the furnace. In a typical installation, the heated air is channeled into the home's existing air duct and looped back into the furnace through a cold air return.